This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: a name tag, an anvil, and enough experience levels. Place the anvil, then open it and put the name tag in the left slot. You'll see an XP cost. Rename the tag to the exact text you want. Make sure capitalization and spacing are final. Once done, retrieve the rename tag and keep it ready. You'll need to approach the zombie calmly and make sure it's not in sunlight or near hazards before the next steps. Next, you secure the zombie so you can tag it without losing it. Build a small enclosure or lead it into a 1x1 pit. This prevents accidental escapes. Then, equip the rename tag in your hand and right-click the zombie, tap or use action button on consoles/mobile. You're simply applying the name, not harming the mob. If you accidentally hit it, you may kill or anger it, so move slowly. Once the name applies, the custom name will display. Finally, confirm the name stuck by stepping back and looking above the zombie. It should display immediately. Make sure the game saved or relogged to keep the name permanent on servers. If the name failed, don't panic. Try again with a new rename tag and ensure you did not hit the zombie while applying the tag. Also, watch out for sunlight killing the zombie. If it disappears, retrieve a new one or use a water trap for drowned or baby variants. The process is the same.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.